All right, here's the deal. One of the hardest things to do in the collision repair industry is fix the problems that we have with the repair process. One of the hardest things for us as we go into shops and consult is to find tools or methods or ways that we can help shops fix the problems in the repair process that the technicians are willing to do and follow. Now, over the course of the last 10 years, we've struggled with in-process QC or quality control in collision repair. We've came up with some great ideas. There's been apps, there's been add-ons to the estimating system, there's been forms and things that we've given and handed shops, but we struggled to find shops adopting those methodologies consistently. So we could go visit, we could put something into play, and the shop would do great with it for maybe a week or 2 weeks, but then eventually it would fall off the shelf. Well, as we worked over and over to refine the process, the first thing that we discovered was all of the digital solutions that we had been looking at, whether it was phone apps or something in the estimating system, well, that wasn't working at all. Well, let's face it, technicians are out running and gunning, getting the parts, fixing the cars, and trying to get them out the door. They're not pulling out phones and pulling out tablets and taking the time in between the different steps of the repair to fill out sheets. Well, then that meant that a lot of those QC forms ended up in the detail department or pre-delivery checks by estimators. And at that point, we were just looking at pencil whipping to get the vehicle out the door. Over time, we came up with the dry erase sheets. They are broken out by department. So you have your blueprint, your metal, refinish, structural, prep detail, and then you have some delivery items at them. We needed to find a way that it could stay with the vehicle, always be within reach of the technician, easy to fill out, easy to complete. With the ring, I can clip it to the steering wheel, I can clip it to the door handle. We've made it with high visibility paper. It's always first of mind. As the estimator or shop foreman walks the floor, they can walk up to the car, have a conversation with the technician, and check off the things that need to be done. If things are discovered during that QC meeting with the technician that possibly need to be added to the estimate, it allows it to be immediately controlled. Over time, the method just works. It's also been working great to have more conversation between the estimators and the technicians, or the shop floor manager and the technicians, every day about that specific car that's in process. And the more conversation we can have about those cars, the faster that they will move through the facility, but also the better of the quality of that moving through. So we always say in estimating that it doesn't matter what I write if I can't get paid for it. But the secondary part of that is it doesn't matter what I write if it's not being performed on the vehicle. So putting these two things together and having the departments work together every day on the repair and following the QC sheets in process brings that together and ensures not only a profitable repair, but a correct and safe repair for your customer. Now, the QC sheets are available on the website. They come in packs of 10, so it just depends on how many vehicles you think you have on the process floor. I don't need a QC sheet when the vehicle is out in storage or waiting to get in. I only need to attach that sheet when it's ready to go into the repair. Each sheet comes with the dry erase marker sleeve and the 2-inch ring binder so that you can take it off and on, you can move it around as needed, and put it where it needs to be so that it's always first of mind. If you have any questions, well, you can always reach us on the website.